iOS 7 is Apple's biggest change to their mobile operating system since the introduction of the iPhone. Along with many new features that the operating system contains, and many new APIs for developers, the biggest thing you will notice is a complete user interface overhaul. The home and lock screens look completely different. You will notice new animations, new swipe gestures, and thinner typefaces. One of the best new features is Control Center, a simple panel to access quick settings across the operating system. You will notice this interface uses a sort of blurry glass type of feel, and you will see this across other elements inside the system. The general approach for this new interface is using black and white interfaces, flat UI elements, and some accent colors. You will see different colors for different applications. Multitasking has been improved with the new interface that shows screenshots of your applications. Multitasking will also be very conservative on your battery, and it will notice which apps you use the most often, so it will update those apps with higher priority in the background to save power and to keep the system performing fast. The home screen uses the gyroscope to move the image behind the icons at a different rate, so when you tilt the device, you get a new sense of depth and a 3D appearance will be visible. You can also have panoramic wallpapers for the background on your lock screen and home screen. You can also have animated backgrounds. One of the major complaints for iOS 6 was the use of skeuomorphism. iOS 7 uses a very subtle amount of skeuomorphism, and the interface overall is still flat, and it follows Johnny Ive's new design guidelines. The music player, of course, also got a redesign, and one cool new system-wide gesture is the ability to move backwards with a swipe from the left. Banners look even better in iOS 7, and the notification center has been redesigned with new at-a-glance looks and a tab view to switch between which content you want to view in the center. Although the interface is completely new, it is still very familiar. Tasks like sending a text message look very similar to the previous system, but they still have that new, fresh interface. Siri has also been updated with a new UI, Wikipedia and Twitter integration, and new voices. Another interesting UI change is the new tabs view inside of Safari. After 6 years of iOS, the clock icon is finally live. The Maps application is another great example on how the new flat interface shines in iOS 7. And another nice subtle touch, the screen fades off and on when you lock and unlock the device. So there you have it, a tour of Apple's next generation mobile OS. Videos are just the beginning. Check out these other great websites for great content from the Computer Clan, and subscribe for more great videos from Real Deal Productions.